Why most people struggle with money. Most people think they're bad with money. They're not. No one taught them. Money problems usually aren't about income. They're about habits you never chose. You were taught to earn, spend, repeat, not plan, not grow. Once you learn the rules, money becomes calmer, almost boring. And boring money is winning money. Follow if you want money explained simply. Today we will discuss what money actually is. Tool, not goal. The 3 money jobs: spend, save, grow. Needs versus wants. Why clarity beats income early on. Most people spend their entire lives chasing money. A lot of us grow up believing money is the goal. More money equals success, happiness, and safety. But here's the problem. If money is the goal, there's never an end. The 3 money job: spend, save, grow. If money has ever felt confusing, stressful, or overwhelming, you're not alone. Spend money's first and most immediate job is to be used. Spending is not the enemy of financial health. Healthy spending is what allows money to actually improve your life. Many people secretly carry guilt around spending. But the truth is, if you never spent money, it would have no purpose. The goal is to spend well. There are 2 types of spending: intentional and unintentional. Intentional spending supports your life. For example, safe housing, nutritious food, reliable transportation, healthcare, education. Tools that make your life easier, experiences with people you love. Unintentional spending, spending that happens without awareness, usually driven by emotions, convenience, social pressure, advertising, habit, boredom. Save is where people first begin to feel emotionally safer with money. Spending improves today. Saving protects tomorrow. Saving is money you keep on purpose to protect your future self. It is about creating stability in an unstable world. Life is unpredictable. Cars break, jobs change, bodies need care, homes need repair. Surprises happen. What saving actually does psychologically, most people think saving is purely logical. It isn't. Saving is deeply emotional because it creates security, one of the brain's strongest core needs. When you have savings, your nervous system relaxes. You make better decisions. You tolerate stress better. You stop feeling trapped. Savings don't just protect your bank account. They protect your peace of mind. The biggest saving myth: I'll save when I make more money. Truth: people rarely become savers overnight when income rises. Saving is a behavior, not an income level. Someone saving $50 a paycheck is building the same identity as someone saving $500. And identity drives long-term success. You are not just saving money. You are becoming a person who prepares. The 3 levels of saving. Level 1, the safety buffer. Goal: $1,000 to $2,000. This is your Life Happens Fund. It covers things like car repairs, medical bills, last-minute travel, and home repairs. This level alone dramatically reduces panic spending. Level 2, the emergency fund. Goal: 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Now you're protecting your lifestyle. If income stops, life does not immediately collapse. You gain time to think instead of react. Time is one of the greatest financial luxuries. Level 2, the emergency fund. Goal: 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Now you're protecting your lifestyle. If income stops, life does not immediately collapse. You gain time to think instead of react. Time is one of the greatest financial luxuries. Level 3, future protection. Saving for known upcoming expenses. Moving, education, family planning, major purchases, and career transitions. This prevents you from borrowing against your future. Instead, you prepare for it. Growing money means putting your dollars to work so they can create more dollars without requiring more of your time. There is a limit to how much you can earn by working. There is no real limit to how long your money can compound. Growth is how people stop trading hours for income and start building financial independence. Why growing matters more than people realize. Savings alone rarely create wealth. Why? Because of something most people underestimate: inflation. Over time, prices rise, which means money sitting slowly loses purchasing power. Growth helps your money stay ahead of that invisible erosion. Think of it this way: saving preserves the boat, growing adds the engine. Needs versus wants. Why clarity beats income early on. What are needs? Needs are the expenses that support your basic functioning and stability. If they disappear, your life becomes disrupted, sometimes quickly. What are wants? Wants improve your lifestyle, but your life continues without them. Why clarity beats income, especially early. Most people believe, when I make more, things will feel easier. But income without clarity often leads to one thing: lifestyle inflation. Spending rises automatically to match earnings. No intentional decision required, which is why many high earners still feel financially tight. Meanwhile, someone with moderate income but strong clarity knows their survival number, avoids accidental overspending, saves earlier, and experiences less financial anxiety. Clarity creates control. Control creates calm, not income. Thanks for watching. Join us next week when we will be discussing how to budget without feeling restricted. Comment start if this is your first time learning money the right way.